What's going on, everybody? Jason here. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a product review on this multi-function 12-volt battery jump starter. We're going to unbox it, go over a few of the different features and functions, and then go outside and try to jump my 1996 Mitsubishi Evo 4. I left the dome light on last night. I left the radio on. I went out this morning, verified my car is dead. It is completely dead. So we're going to take this jump starter, go outside, and see if we can get my car started. Stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the jump starter. We'll go ahead and take a look at the packaging itself. Overall looks pretty good. Here's some of the specifications. Has some instructions here on the back, and it's got a whole bunch of cool features. There's a torch on here. You can use it as a power bank, jump starter obviously. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes with a nice little carrying case. See the Audio logo here, I like the little red and black checkered flag. Reminds me of my floor mats in my Evo. So here is the jump starter itself. Initial feel, the quality feels pretty nice on it. It's hard plastic. It's not too heavy. You can see a charging port here. Here you have a few different USBs, and they have a USB Type-C. This looks like the flashlight. There's the port for the jumper cable and a power button. Go ahead and just push the power button. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put that off to the side. Don't mind my arm. Some of you guys who saw my last video, I mentioned that I recently had an arm injury. And here's the USB Type-C cable. Here are the alligator clips. And a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Like that's it for inside. And then on the back over here we have some thank you card. And here's the user manual. So I'm not going to sit here and go through everything in the user manual. I'll just take a quick little look at it, and then we'll go over some of the features, and we'll go outside and test it on the Evo. All right, so for the LED flashlight, it says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Oh, there we go. Pretty bright. It says there's a few different modes on it. You got a strobe. Those could come in handy for an emergency. A very nice little LED light right there. For those wondering what the battery size is on this, it is a 10,800 mAh, milliamp hours, or 40 watt hours. It's a pretty good sized battery, and it says it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge this. There are the 2 USB ports right here, and they're both out, so you can charge 2 different devices, cell phones, and you also have the Type-C. So technically you have 3 USB ports right here. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna go outside and test the jumping capabilities. You guys can see right here there's a few different LED lights, and there's some instructions on the manual. So once we get out there, I'm gonna look at the manual. Lights dictate different things, so let's go check out the Evo. Alright, so we're in the Evo, and I want to show you guys that my battery is completely dead right now. There's the key, put it in, nothing. Nothing. So I'll go ahead and turn my, my dome light off. There's this one. And we'll pop the hood. We're going to hook up the charger and see if we can jump my car. Hopefully this works. This is going to be a first test run, so fingers crossed. All right, so the first step, I'm going to install the alligator clips into this port right here. That conveniently says jumper cable. So the jumper cables have been plugged in. Follow the directions right off the box. Did that. Connect the red clamp to positive, black clamp to negative. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so negative to negative, positive to positive. Now the green light is on, telling the connection is correct and the circuit is working. You can turn on the engine and jump start directly. Alright, so I went ahead and pushed the little boost button and the green LED came on. It says correct. So let's move on to the next step. The red light on with buzzing, telling the connection is wrong. Green light blinking and buzzing saying the vehicle battery is low. Press the boost button, wait and the green light becomes solid. I just heard it click. It's clicking again. I hear it clicking, but the green LED is saying solid, and it says turn on the car within 30 seconds, so let's go try to turn it on. Hey, look at that. Awesome. Very cool. Oh, there goes the radio. Sweet. Very cool. Very happy with that. So you guys can see the car was completely dead. Would you look at that? A little power bank jumped my old JDM Evo. So we'll go ahead and unplug this. So the battery had 3 LEDs, now it's at 2. So I think you can definitely get more than one jump with this power bank. And now I could still use it and go charge my phone if I wanted to. Flashlight still works. Alright, so I'm gonna get everything put away and we'll go back inside and wrap this up. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you go check this out. I'm going to put the link below in the description and a discount code that's good for 20%. I highly recommend picking one up. And you never know when you're going to need it. Throw it in your glove box, and all the different functions are really nice. You guys got the flashlight on here. You can charge your cell phone, and this thing will definitely save your car in the future. Guarantee it. Alright, but thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. And stay tuned. I'm going to have an Evo video coming here in the next day or two. Be on the lookout for that. And as always, love you guys. Thanks for all the support, and see you on the next one.